Check out this 2009 BMW 3 Series sedan. If you're looking for a one-owner vehicle, this vehicle is for you. The mileage represented on this vehicle is accurate. This vehicle is perfectly sound, no known CTS. The vehicle's transmission is smooth with no pings or worrisome noises. This engine is just getting warmed up and can't wait for you to be behind the wheel and finish breaking it in. The electronics components on this vehicle have been checked and they are all in working order. Not only is this car a delight to drive, it's reliable, stylish and a great car for the money. Very responsive and a joy to drive with great styling and the high-tech gadgets for a low cost of ownership. Certified pre-owned. Call for details. Great finance options available. Carfax Vehicle History Report shows nothing negative reported for this vehicle. As a certified pre-owned vehicle, this car will save you money and give you the peace of mind you are looking for. This vehicle has navigation. Please call for more information. The special internet price is $28,992. Contact David Walker at 918-388-0654 or Ron Lasky at 918-388-0618.